Hey guys, it's Jeremiah. We are on our way to Legoland. We are so close. I'm so excited. We're about to go through this road that has a bunch of Legos in it. I'll let you guys see.
In 200 feet at the traffic circle, take the second exit and stay on Legoland Drive.
We are turning to Legoland Drive. Oh, this is gonna be really good. Oh, you see that W made out of Legos? Oh, that's so cool. Guys, here are the Legos. Wow, look at those. Do you guys see the letters that are made out of Legos? It probably takes really long. Look guys, here's a welcome sign made out of Legos.
You see that castle?
Incredible. Guys, look, that's the hotel we'll be staying in. It's called the Castle Hotel.
Hi, we're at Legoland!
You guys see that big building right there? Wow.
Look.
It's a castle.
That castle
It's called the
so
Legoland Castle.
Yeah, it has 1,000 windows.
Whoa, guys, look, isn't this cool? Look, they're all built from Legos. This is the other hotel. It's called the Legoland Hotel. So here's Legoland. We have to go through security first. Let's go. Guys, so here is the entrance. Let's go in. And then we have to go through another security check. Let's go. Look at this new set. It's so cool. You guys see it? It's a birthday cake.
Whoa, bravo, really good roar.
That was the best roar ever. Whoa, look at that big dinosaur. Guys, look, there's a car made out of Lego bricks. Hey guys, so I'm going to be going on the Aquazone wave racers. Let's go. It's possible for us to get wet. So I have a wheel here to turn it, so then if I want to get wet, then I can turn it outward. Whoa! This is so fun! Oh, my feet are getting so wet. Whoa! This is amazing. I haven't been getting wet so far, except for my feet, they're soaking wet. Whee! Oh, now my feet got even more wet. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa! Okay, I'm going in, now I'm going out. Whoa! We're done with the ride. It's called the Technic test track. We just finished going on the Technic test track. It was so fun. look, there's some Lego minifigures hanging.
Just got my face paint.
We have to go get 3D glasses.
My 3D glasses. 3D Melody.
Hey guys, I'm color blue, she's color pink. In this ride, we have to defeat things. So in order to do that, we have to use our powers, do this, and we'll defeat it. Let's see who can get the most points. Me or Rebecca? I think I'm gonna win, yeah. We finished the ride. We defeated all the bad guys. We did so good. I won the game. So, yeah, I won. We're going to be going on the safari trek.
This is not me scared. This is mega fun. I'm going on a ride. It's an animal one.
We're gonna be going on the
Super
first two.
fun. I'm driving. We're on the boat driving. We're on the boat. See, look, there's a guy taking a shower. Look, there's a hippo. There's a scuba diver made out of Legos. Look at the monkey made out of Legos. Hi, little penguin. Uh-oh, gotta turn around. Oh, they heard me.
Traffic jam. We're about to go on the Lost Kingdom Adventure ride. Guys, I'm shooting! Oh, I got that fell.
is mine.
That was so fun! Hey guys, we're about to go to the Deep Sea Adventure Submarine. Let's go! Guys, look at that building. You see it? I wish it was made out of Legos. That would be cool. We're in a submarine right now. We have to find different things. Once you find it in the water, you press on this. Oh guys, look! Do you see that red diamond right there? Oh, there's a gem right here. Let's press on it. Oh, we found it! Oh, there's a diver. Oh, guys, look! Oh, look at that crown. Whoa! Crown. Press it. Woo! You're doing so good.
I found a lot.
Okay, you guys see those fish? Isn't this amazing? People said that there were sharks. Let's try to find sharks, guys. You guys see that shark? Whoa! This is really cool. So many fish. You guys see that one right there? Is that a shark? Whoa! Oh, you guys see a pearl? Look, there's a pearl. Let's press it. Isn't this cool, guys? Wow! I love this. An artwork. Artwork. We found another gem and treasure. Treasure and gem.
Great job! Check your treasure tracker.
We are about to board the Coast Cruise. Let's go.
It's like we're on the boat right now.
Awesome, everyone. Now, do you know how to swim? Raise your hand if you know how to swim. Everyone look around. If we sink, that's your flotation devices. My name is Rondi. You can call me Captain Rondi. So we're here to celebrate Legoland's 20th anniversary. Our first model up on the left is Rocky the Water Buffalo. He's 350 pounds. And guess what? He's made with 310,000 Lego bricks. Yeah, it's food today. Bronte the Red Dino is made with 650,000 Lego bricks. Lazy Pete. 1, 2, 3. Turn off the water! It's very small, only 253,000 Lego bricks. Alrighty, off the coast of Africa we go, where we're going to meet Elsie. Well, they both have big trunks. Everyone, wave bye to Elsie. I don't think he will Lego anytime soon. They invite us on a world tour, no passport required. First up, you'll see is London, England. On the left, the London Eye Ferris wheel is built with 55,000 Lego bricks. And guess what? The real one in London stands 443 feet in the air. Now I also see the Parliament building that houses Big Ben, who chimes the hour on the hour. Oh, it's 10:44. Check your watches. Trust me, we're just in time. Say waffles, 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 everyone. It's the waffle bridge. Yeah, it looks like a waffle. Did you have waffles for breakfast? Now, first look left, you're going to see the Taj Mahal of India. 143,000 Lego bricks is used to construct her. It was built in the 17th century, and India has the Taj Mahal, while Legoland here has the Taj Mahal. And we've used 117,000 Lego bricks to design the Eiffel Tower. So if you look to the right, it's the Black Hills of South Dakota, Mount Rushmore. All their heads put together total 230,000 Lego bricks. George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. You walk around, you can see Los Angeles, San Francisco, and even Las Vegas. Now the Statue of Liberty is 6 feet tall in her party gown, but behind her, check this out, is the impressive Manhattan, New York City skyline featuring 8 million Lego bricks, taking our model builders 2.5 years to construct just New York City alone. Isn't that awesome? Everyone scream, awesome! Awesome! Yeah, that's cool, huh? Did you know what? All of the Legos inside of just Miniland total 60 million. Now let's get ready to party. Everyone start clapping. It's Legoland's resident octopus band welcoming us back to 288,000 Lego bricks. Can everyone scream happy birthday on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Great job.